Welcome all of you. Good morning, everyone, for joining today's session. Thank you for joining today's session on Do More with Less on Office 365 Business Central. So today on this webinar, we have Mr. Amit from Reddington. We have Mr. Ali Khan from Network Tech Lab and myself Akshay. I'm part of a marketing team at Network Tech Lab. So today we will discover on how seamlessly we can integrate business operations, how we can do the informed decision making, and how we can get benefit from the transition to comprehensive tools, how we can boost the productivity using these 365 Business Central. So today we see there are in business operations there are multiple problems come in, multiple opportunities we see. So we will take you through how we can grab on those opportunities, how we can get the competitive pricing, how customize requirement we have in business operations. So how we can leverage on those uh, customized needs, and how we can make the customized tools for ourselves using D365. Okay, so if you have any questions in the webinar, please write down your questions in the chat box, or we will be having a Q&A session at the end of this webinar. That time you can put your queries and you can raise your hand. Okay, so without any delay, I would like to introduce Mr. Amit from Reddington. Amit, over to you, Amit.
Yeah, thank you. Akshay, I'm just thank you all of you for joining. I'm just sharing my screen. Amit here. I'm handling Microsoft Dynamics Business Central. Just we are today we are just taking an overview of what exactly the products and what exactly that product means, what features and what is the possibility and how we can means automate your business to your how to grow your business through automate and how your manual working well over that. Just sharing the screen.
Yeah, Amit, do you have any problem in sharing the screen?
Just a minute. I'm trying that. Wait a minute.
Okay, okay.
Now it's able to see.
Yes, yes, we are able to see your screen, Amit.
Okay. So mainly this is the mainly I'm just giving a background. So if you have any that I hope that all are you are working in service or manufacturing industry, you are already doing. So mainly this is the Dynamics Business Central. It's a SMB for SMB customer that Microsoft bring it for ERP solutions. The mainly what is the background of that, because before that Microsoft started on-premise solution like Navision 2016, but on 2020, because all are in cloud version, all are because all are working outside, not possible in office always, through mobile also. So they required the cloud base. So in that Microsoft started for cloud based software, and it's a ERP solution, all in one solution, not only limited for any industry specific. Yeah, and you can customize as per your requirement also. So I'm just giving you overview of that. This is the Business Central, and as mainly the three clouds are there. You already using daily Microsoft 365 like Outlook, Teams, your Excel, Word, all that you are using. If you are any on-premise solution, so you can you have also Azure and all that you have. So the Azure also, I think some having the subscription of Azure is also. So this is the Dynamic 65 having that multiple SKUs are available. So this is the all three are integrated with each other. Means if you want to integrate your on-premise, your own build any solution, you want to integrate with this Microsoft 365, automatically integrated, not any required any support or anything, automatically it integrated. So this is the mainly wheel of your business side. So your already daily operations in Microsoft 365 you are already using. So in the wheel, what is the meaning of the Dynamic 65? You are daily doing operations from like that. Your all daily operations. Your sales, service, your field service, all that are data you are daily using. And what is the benefit of that? What is ROI of that? How you can find identify that? So in that we have intelligence tool in the business central also reports around 350 reports are available and not required you want to manage your Excel part automatically integrated with it. So not required to be from management you want or if any management required any specific report, not depending on any team member, you can download anywhere or you can follow up or you have that how many open quotations, what is the status, not anyone not depending on each other, automatically you can get that. And here already workflow already you can decide that is available. Another is here power platform having beauty of that you can create your own app also, and you can create a your own app plus you have to identify any Power BI reports is there anything, or you automate the workflows that is possible in Power App also. So because if you are purchasing any app from market, so again you want to share your data to them. So here not required to share the data automatically because it will get from Excel, Word, and all that. So in that business central having two versions, one is CRM and another is ERP. What is exactly because having all the customer not required all detailed CRM. So business central having specific CRM is available. Another if you required any customer service, field service, remote assist also now market is available. You are doing in the manufacturing your big machinery. So if any problem is facing with customer, so not possible always your sale field person means service person will go there. You can use your remote assist device licenses also available. So your HoloLens item for that you can use for this. Or if you have marketing, you have multiple events or multiple that you're investing that amount in marketing. So how you identify that? So in that idea, in that you will get another is you cannot identify directly means of identify the top how it is with possible. So you can add all marketing activities in available here. In this ERP having supply chain, your accounts, inventory, manufacturing, all are is available here. So mainly this is the wheel of Dynamic 65 is all are integrated with each other. Today I'm just giving you overview of that. How it is sales means in the Microsoft CRM called as a sales. In this you will get leads, opportunity management, your social media, your all that in the service module you have different field services available. That is possibility. Another is you have that business central mainly for SMB customers. So business central having these all these modules are available. So want exactly SMB customer daily they have specific contacts. They are their leads are managed they want. So manually if any calling is there, if any support if any field service is there, they are generating call leads. So how they can manage in the business central you can manage that. After that it's coming with the quotation level. So quotation, how it is the quotation, after that multiple quotation revise is there, any approval is there. Here we have purchase GRN is possible. After that your if you have project management, if you are service industry, so project wise you can integrate a project automatically with purchase or sales, that is possibility. After that your financial, your daily you're using any other accounting software, then you want to add your data entry all that in. And again you want to any copy paste. After that your export the data, upload the data. Here not required any upload or export data. You can use your Excel directly, you can edit it and save it automatically, it's save possible. In the operation management your daily operations are available. Your warehouse, you have warehouse management, the warehouse multiple warehouse is possible. Again you have any third party software like e-commerce or something, so we can integrate that. So easily integrated possible. And because it's open API you have. Another is you have that here account stream is outside, then you don't want to share export the data, we have that sorry, you will get external account license also possible. So not required to, again you want to export the data, you can give the your login credential to them. They will see the only your financial data, not your all operations, your sales data, nothing. Only financial related data will share. So your data will also not share to public anywhere on the, or you can lose that. That is not for required. Here around 350 reports are available in the reporting that. So business central I will give that means this is the features I will explain also. So if you have desktop laptop, you're outside, you can use through app also. Not required again you want to PC that you have again VPN connection and all that. You have only internet connection, you can use through mobile also, mobile net also. That is possibility. Another is you have that means you are using only Outlook also. So not required Outlook, you will get approval system also, approval directly. And if you have any survey record there, means in the Outlook, you are received any approval report, or you want to send a quotation. After that, you want to quotation to again the invoice you want to create. Not required to log in Business Central. You can through Outlook also possible. And in the if you are in the ERP, the Business Central, and you want to send an email, not required to again the Outlook, you can directly send from the Business Central only. If you have the quotation like Excel, edit format you want, so that is also possible. Different styles of that is possibility. So in that one to one also we will that explain how it is and your beauty as per your requirement. We can schedule your demo specific your business wise, that also possibility. So you will also understand that. So this is the mainly if you have that if you are using already Teams license, and you don't have specific user don't have Business Central license, they want to any data pass to Business Central, they can share the Teams also. And the Teams that particular license into it, that will add in the Business Central also, that is possibility. Another I already explained that embedded Office 365 in the Business Central only, so not required in that. Again, that pure data and using Power Platform here, you will get Power Platform also integrated with Dynamics, so not required to log in again. It here also you will get multiple types of reports, or you want to customize that report. You have Power App license, you have technical team, or you are already ready to use that, or we can help you in that how to create your any app or anything, or your reports are there. That is possibility in the Business Center. So in that mainly how it is beauty of that your optical outcomes, their smart improve customer service also. So not required to calling follow up what is the status, how many call you done today, what is automatically you will get daily report, monthly report, weekly. If you want that, you can automate that reports on your mail also. Not required to download, that is also possible. Again, yeah, if you have that CRM you required after that, means if now you purchase the Business Central, and after that you want a business CRM license, you can use it here in the attached license concept is there, so not required any integration. Automatically you are in now already. If you are using Outlook, same tenant will get the Business Central license, so not required again login different and all that. You will get that only, same tenant only. So giving overview of the what is the difference of that. So Business Central, if you are outside India, if you are already working, that is also multi currency is available. Multi you can use multiple in that your countries, that is available. Again you want that KPI dashboard already available. So if you have integration, that is also available. Again your data not lost because it's a server data, not having any data loss, any possibility, or your data sharing not required. Your because it's all in one that. And in that your flexible approval system, if you have automate your business and your already standard workflow is prepared, automatically it will go as per your overflow. So not any approval like some companies still that you are using physical that hard copy, after that signing it, saving it in a file, that is not required. Automatically all the data will fetch, approval fetch at what which login is there, which user is there, that is already available in that. So this is the mainly financial, what is sales service management, after that project management, supply chain, all these are available. Reporting and analytics, that is possibility. Mm. This is mainly available. So this is the reporting and analytics is available in that sales service project management is there. Uh, if anything, can ask that. This is that. Just a minute. I am showing that. So mainly how it is that integrated is that. So here you will get deployment also in that around 2 to 3 months. You will get deployment also possibility as per your customer, as per your requirement that we can discuss in detail. No problem. That is possibility. Just a minute. This is the business central. I will share that sheet also. What exactly is available here. So that is mainly, I will show that in the Dynamics Business Central, having two variants. One is essential, one is premium. What is the difference of essential and premium? So mainly, if you are already working in the manufacturing or service industry, then you want premium. Otherwise, you can give essential. What is the essential covers? Essential covers your basic CRM, inventory, invoicing, accounting. Only difference is only that manufacturing and service modules are extra in the premium. So we will discuss in detail what exactly in the premium and what as per your customer requirement we will give that. So sometimes I'm not comparing directly first call. So I'm just giving SAP B1. What is that? SAP, because you will get time consuming also. Time consuming. Here you will get around before only purchasing. We will guide you what is the possibility, what is not possible in the business central. Another is here you will get not required third party, or here you will get integrated automatically. And price also, you will license price, not required any hardware or anything. You want to just take a license, use it, not required any again you want your hardware, your infrastructure not is required that. So I'm just giving you this, just I'm sharing the screen again for your overview of your, you know. So mainly this is the your get business central overview of this. So in that you will get all this. This is the mainly your Outlook licenses. Same in the left side, you will get business central licenses. So not required again different that automatically it available. So in that business central having this, I am just showing. I think are you able to see the screen right? Hello. हा आवाज येतोय ना. हां, ठीक आहे. तुम्ही एक ह्याला पण पाठवलंय का? अभिनवला पण पाठवलंय का लिंक? मी एक मेल केलेला आहे बघा. अभिनवला पण पाठवा ना प्लीज. अभिनव एक मेल केलाय बघा मी तुम्हाला, आणि त्याला पण होस्ट ठेवा. So mainly this is the I'm giving you that this is the here Chandra, you will get a home that I'm just sharing the home that screen. So here you will get accounts, all this concept is available. Again you will get sales, purchase invoice, all these are available. If you are saying explore more roles in that, you will get your inventory, your project management, manufacturing, all are as per that. And if you want to change your roles, that as per your roles automatically your settings and all that are changing. Already here multiple roles are available. If you want to change as per your that requirement, you can use that. That is possibility. So till that, if any even questions you just raised accordingly, I will explain that. Is it possible? So can we continue, or if you have any questions that in that till that, because accordingly.
Yeah, I mean, since we don't have question, we will continue.
Okay. So this is mainly these are there. So this is the dashboard also. I'm just showing dashboard also in that. So in the dashboard also you will get multiple options are available, like your daily, how what is the follow, what is the activity, what is the your that approval systems, or your intercompany any settings, or your any trial balance, or your Power BI any report that is available. And as per your you can use that, or you can, if you want to any particular, you don't want any option is there, you can hide it and not required any development support, you can do yourself also. And in the business central having another beauty, not required to attend any training or anything, you can use your own way also. As per your document are available Microsoft, that is you can use that, that is possibility. So not required again, you want to that means you want don't want to any support required, that is possibility. I'm just showing one. If you want to see the any outstanding is there, so what is the outstanding, you can check here also. You will get already reports available. You want to see that particular invoice, you just click on this, and again you will get a invoice copy also. So invoice details, so not required again means you want to. And here another is you will get search option also. So some not required, you want that uh, uh, your that again you have to check that where exactly the for this, how to check that particular module, not required, you want to just type it and search it here. Hello. हाँ ज्वाइन कर दो, ज्वाइन करके रखो और लॉगिन करके कर दो. So this is the purchase. So you can directly purchase here. You just click on this purchase or purchase order, purchase invoice. You want to just click on this and you can use that. That is possibility. Again, that same that in the sales also you will get multiple options are available. Sales order, sales quote is available. After that, you will get here you will get sales you're issued, and if you want sorry your any particular overdue, particular days, credit days, that is each you can use that. Nothing not required to again means say that one time you can say it, and automatically while punching that it available automatically. So if you have particular required that, so accordingly I will explain that. You just from means overview I'm just giving you. India taxation is these modules are available. These all modules are automatically means you're not required any other software for your business. That it's all in one solution is available here. So anything accordingly I will start, because from my side that I just overview of give up. If you're particular you want to say or you're any question, just let me know. Accordingly we'll explain that.
Ali here, can you able to explain more on the how integration can be easily happening from the other application here,
Yeah.
so the participant can we understand more on the product? Because a lot of people
So
have a
mainly, sir,
perspective like yeah,
yeah, yes, yes. Yours, please complete yours. So accordingly, I will explain.
yeah. So I'm saying that like example, any reports customer wants to take any reports and send it to the email Outlook and all. So how it can be integrated and how the bank statements and payment generally will come as a report to the daily basis or a weekly basis.
Okay. So this is not required again to integrate that. Hello. So not required to integrate each other. Automatically automatically integrated is available. Hello.
Yeah, Amit, we
My
can
voice
hear
come.
you. I think multiple voice is coming, so you might have another
Now it's
participant.
available. Now it's
Yeah,
available properly.
yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. So mainly here not required to integrate it. If you have any external anything, you can integrate with these there with Business Central. Another is here weekly report or say set. You can set in a one time. So if you have weekly report or 15 days your quarterly report or 15 days monthly report, you can set one. Automatically it will go to that particular person, or automatically particular user. If you have created any group is there, so particular groups required a monthly report, that is possible, or monthly customized report also possible. So not required again you want to ask any your IT person or your ask particular user, not required. Automatically you will get that weekly report or quarterly or monthly as per your requirement. That is possibility. If you have any other third party integration is available required, so we can give means already API is available, you can integrate that. But in the Microsoft all the products means SKUs are automatically integrated with each other. So if want to, if you are purchase any license, automatically it will go to your tenant, because Microsoft having tenant concept. So particular tenant having license. Another I'm just saving, giving you that example also. If you're working in another country, means your sister concern companies already using Business Central in another country, or they have operation in another country. So you have particular different tenant, because as per Microsoft you have country wise different tenant. But you can integrate tenant also integrate with each other, because the Microsoft product is same, only tenant integration is possible. That is possibility. So not required third party again integration, you can give that tenant integration is available. That is possibility. Any other questions? This is license concept also here, yearly concept, or not required to purchase one time. You can give a yearly also, yearly subscription. You can use it for Miss Work for 1 year only. You want to pay again another here. Locking facility is also available. You can lock your price for 3 years. So not for means your if in because your all are investment. So what exactly after 1 year, 2 year, what is again want to invest? So you can decide in first year only how much you want to invest in first year. So 3 years possibility locking prior. So any other questions? So if you don't have now currently questions, so just pass your requirement, or if you want to see detailed demo, that is also possibility. You just pass your information to team that where we want. So accordingly, we will schedule the requirement gathering call, and as per your requirement, we will build for detailed demo also. That is also possibility. Or if you are attended and if more teams also want to see the demo, that is also we will give one-to-one demo also possibility.
Okay, Amit, thank you from hello. Amit, can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, your voice is coming, Akshay. You can continue.
Akshay, just check with attendance.
Yeah, I have checked. I have checked. If you're done, Abhinav is going to talk more.
Akshay, just check with attendance according if any questions or they want detailed demo. After that,
Yeah.
one-to-one demo also required.
Yeah, yeah. So I request every attendees, Mr. Ashish, if you have any questions, you can, raise your questions now. Or if you don't have question as of now, you can just email us on info@netlabindia.com and we can address your queries or questions if you have anything. Yeah. So no worries. I think we don't have questions. Okay. Thank
Yeah,
you,
no
Amit.
problem.
Yeah, thank you, Amit, for joining in and
Thank you.
taking us through the D365 demo. Thank you all of you for joining.
Yes.
We'll meet soon. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you all.